Hi Divas, I have a happy planner box for you. Dreams become goals when you plan. So I have some high hopes for the new year for 2023, and maybe you do too. We all have our hopes and our dreams. The only way that they get to become real is if we turn them into plans. And I love the week between Christmas and New Year's because that is the time to dream and plan and get set up for the new year after the festivities, when you're winding down from all the other festivities. So I had gotten this box a little while ago. I opened it on a previous video that was part of an 8-hour stint that I was videoing, and when I took the little chip out of the projector, the little camera, it flew across the room. It catapulted itself across the room. And I have yet to find it, even though I've torn apart the room and, am still diligently seeking it. But in the meantime, I have to make up some of those videos again, and this is one of them. I really love Happy Planner System, and I'll show you why as we get into it. This was a special purchase. I do believe it is still up on their shop. If it's still there, I will link it in the box below. And again, this is happyplannershop.com. And you get it in a gorgeously packed box. It comes wrapped in this beautiful tissue with the seal. And again, I'm showing you, since it's already been broken, but I do want to show you. This is their Find Your Balance box. And the first thing I opened was a belly band for your planner, and it has a pen loop on it. And that way you can keep it all tucked in together. You get a vinyl sticker. It says Find Your Balance. I love these stickers. You get a bunch of journal cards. And these are just small reminders. You might want to sit them next to your bedside. You might want to paperclip them onto your week plans or something just to give you an extra reminder. Or you may want to put them down in a place, any place that you go. Maybe tuck one inside of on a library shelf or on a seat at your doctor's office, someplace where it can do some encouragement after you've used it as well. That's one way to pass along the fun. Some of these say, I'm ready and capable of achieving all my goals. I have the courage to start and succeed. I can do anything I set my mind to. I am passionate about the dreams that light up my soul. That is a neat one. I like that. I use failure as a stepping stone to success. You can learn a lot from your failure. I am more than enough. This one may be my whole focus for the new year. I am more than enough. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. I am committed, consistent, and courageous. I have to work on the consistent part for sure. I am strong in mind, body, and spirit. Come on. I will practice self-kindness during this journey, the journey of life, I'm sure. I am worthy of all my biggest goals and dreams. I am wildly capable of amazing things. I will find the good in all things. Now that's a tough one to do. That is a tough one to do. I dare to walk through every door of opportunity. Ooh, that takes courage. I have the power to make the right choices for me. Not for anyone else, but the right choices for you. I believe in myself wholeheartedly. I have to work on that one. I deserve time to take care of myself even during busy times, especially during busy times. I may make mistakes, but I never quit. There you go. I am competent, capable, and strong. I choose to rise above negative feelings and thoughts. My own and those that come from elsewhere. If you've been a YouTuber or a Facebooker long enough, you know that you get comments that sometimes want to drag you down. You can't let the trolls win. Or if you're in England, you can't let the gonks win. Gnome, trolls, gonks, are they all the same thing? I don't know. Okay, another thing you get in this is a little accessory pack. This says Purpose Fuels Passion. And on one side you get the goal trackers. Now, these are 52. No, it's a month, so there's like, I think there were 12 of them. Yeah, I think there are 12 of them. It has 1 to 31 on here. It says your goal. You can check off every day or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, blah, 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 across there. And then what you're going to reward yourself when you get it done. That's your goal tracker. And it has some little stickers in here. They're the same in the big book that I'll show you. Keep going, find your balance, nice work. It's just encouragements. Little encouragement rainbows, hearts, check marks, and these are, I believe these are all the same. Yes, they're all the same. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of these stickers. You can use them in here if you want. They're small enough to fit in there. They give you a card that says find your balance and share your happy. And it tells you all the things on the inside that are inside the box. I should have showed you that first, I guess. Taking care of yourself is productive. This Be Happy box will encourage you to strive for your goals while practicing self-care. This year, I need to practice self-care. Do you? Another thing that they give you are like vision boards. This says find your balance, but on the inside it gives you ways to plan your goals, to write them down, see the bigger picture. These are maybe self-care goals, and then you write in what you feel that you need to be doing in that. So these are like your vision boards, and then it gives you motivating questions on the back that you can fill out. They slip very easily inside the Future Begins Now planner. Okay, the covers are nice and hard. They have they're laminated. They come with a disc bound system, which you can pop pages in very easily, and it's easy to pull them out as well and move them to a different area. So it's a totally customizable system. Okay, I'll show you the stickers in a moment. Put these goodies back in the box before I lose them. Okay, you get a welcome card and what's in it. This is a journal. This isn't a planner really, this is a journal. It has 4 different files, like dividers. This one says set a goal, make a plan, work hard, and stay humble. That one has some things are worth fighting for. Purpose Fuels Passion, that's their cover shot. And make yourself proud. And within each of these, it's like for a quarter. Okay. For a third of the year, actually. And on each section, you will find another place that you can put your 3 goals, your action list, the reward at the bottom when you reach that goal. And on the back, here's your trackers for each of your goals. Then for the weeks, each day of the week, this week's goal, write a positive outcome following this week, important due dates this week, list 3 things that can help you achieve your goals, list 3 things that inspire you. And on the back, there's some more journaling questions. Now, for each day of the week, there are slightly different questions and places to write your goals in. Okay? And at the end of the week, you get a monthly, like, review type page. A weekly review type page on each of your goals. What's your milestone? What's one thing that can inspire you to keep going? That kind of thing. That's for the week of. And then you go back to the journal pages, and then once a quarter or once a third, you get to put 3 new goals and keep planning that way. Okay, so this is a journal. It's not a planner per se. And I just added this because I like these. This is a check it off important list. This is a pad of extra paper that you can buy separately from Happy Planner. It's a check it out list, and on the back it gives you dot grid so that you can easily write your goals on there. The box comes with a sticker book. Now I want to show you all the stickers. You can use these in your journal book. You can use this in your planner to remind you to go to your journal book. They have some of the same sayings that you've already heard me speak. They have boxes that you can pull out your own quotes or use as reminders for that day. I love the color scheme. The peach, the olive, the blue. Little encouragements. Now how I'm feeling today, and you write how you feel there. And little stickers for the tops of maybe you can see the shine on the foil here on your list. Today, focus, plan, read, relax, create. And you get them in the foil and in the plain. And more of the same sayings. You can encourage yourself, or you can even use them in cards if you want to encourage others. Use them, stick them on cards, and mail them to somebody in a letter or in a postcard to encourage your friends. More checklist stickers, more noted boxes, and here's blank jars. They look like little jars, I think. And more focus blocks. These are kind of like washi tape strips that you can put in between things, and these are little the dot stickers that you can put a check mark in when you're done, kind of help you make your list. Decorative or stickers to fill in your planner, your planning boxes. These are on a clear background, so you can put it on another like a notebook or the front of something. And again, you can use these on cards to your friends to encourage them, as well as in your planners. You can use them in your scrapbooks. If you're doing a daily journal, a daily like documenting your life type of thing, you can use them in there. And again, some are in foil, some are in flat. Some have a clear background. The ones in flat are super easy to write on. Okay, there are a total of 845 stickers in this pack. And this is the new one for 2022, the end of 2022. Okay, so that is the Happy Planner Purpose and Self-Care box. I have lots more to come. Hopefully you will join me soon for showing you what happy planners that I am getting into. Now, you don't have to have a busy life to have a planner. I only work part-time. I only work part-time. And I don't have little kids to run around after anymore. And I do have grandkids that I like to come up. I do have doctor's appointments. Lots of things. Like I said, the goals and dreams, your bucket lists, your cleaning lists, your keep up with your friends lists, your Christmas list, or your holiday, what I need to get to prepare for the holidays type of list. That would have been better for me this year. I would have remembered fresh green beans for the green bean casserole that I didn't get to do this year, and I disappointed my daughter by not doing it. But anyway, there are loads of ways, and I hope to give you lots of examples how you can decorate the pages, how you can keep up with your thoughts. I have a faith planner coming up, and a wellness planner, and a daily planner, and a calendar for my walls, and one for my purse. And I'm not in your computer planner. I love paper. I love books. I love seeing a whole thing laid out in front of me instead of trying to find it in ethereal computer space. So, if you're like me and still like the paper, still like to read books on paper, as well as hearing them, I'm not against hearing them. I have a lot of audio books. But anyway, if you're like me and still like the paper to see everything all laid out, and you somehow need your hand to write as you're thinking to get it absorbed into you, Happy Planners are perfect. They give you lots of room. There's 3 different sizes. They're easy in, easy out. And I hope you'll join me for my Happy Planner sagas for this year. And maybe you'll get some tips on how to do it for yourself. All right, Divas. Hope to see you soon. Bye.